Are you not able to fall asleep? Or do you have a really bad cough? Or is it a sinus headache that you're having trouble with? Or it could be a runny nose or a stuffy nose. So this video is for you. Here are some steps. First, gargle with salt water. Then drink honey. You can also take painkillers like paracetamol. Drink ginger lemon tea. Also, drink hot soup. Take any kind of cough syrup or any expectorant. Use a steam vaporizer. Or take a hot shower. And after taking a hot shower, make sure you use a blow dryer to dry your hair. Then use a neti pot. And then, pro tip, always blow out your nose when you feel like it. And don't hold it in and cough it out.